はようございます。VR 日本語の萌です。今日はね、Today I want to talk about common mistake in using thank you in Japanese. How do you say thank you in Japanese? You might be thinking, oh come on, I know how to say thank you in Japanese. Arigato. That is one of the very first thing you learn as a Japanese learner. Do you know, arigato is not exactly same as thank you in English. Did you know that if you use it in the wrong way, it can sound a little bit demanding? I'm going to explain why and give you alternative phrases that you can use so you can sound more natural in Japanese. やってみましょう! Firstly, let's look into the word arigato. If you write it in kanji, it is like this. Arigato. It is consisted of two words. Aru, to exist or to come about. Gatai is difficult too. If you know the kanji, gatai, that kanji is same kanji as muzukashi, which is difficult. It roughly translates to what you have done for me is hard to come about. It is amazingly rare blessing what you have done for me. There are actually two types of thank you in Japanese. Number one, thank you for showing gratitude. Arigato is used to express gratitude towards the person who has already done or given something for you. It is also a formal way of showing gratitude. So you're thinking, well, it is that same as English, right? We have another thank you, but in different usage. Number two, thank you for requesting favor. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu can be used when you're having someone who is going to take care of you or do you a favor. It is like thank you in advance, expressing appreciation towards that you might trouble them, but you will be under their care and they will handle things for you. Let's have a look at this situation. If my boss asks me to photocopy, which of these two situations is using correct thank you?
田中くん、これコピーしてくれますか？ありがと
あ、はい。
う。田中くん、これコピーしてくれますか？よろしくお願いします。
あ、はい。In English, you can request things followed by thanks. But if you did this in Japanese, you're assuming that the other person is performing the act for you, and almost it is, of course, I expect you to do it, and it can sound a little demanding. Remembering the original meaning of arigato, it is hard to come by. May help you remember the correct usage of arigato, which is for showing gratitude, not for requesting. I often see this mistake in sign-off of the email and text messages. Let's have a look at the other example. レストランの予約しておいて。ありがとう。萌え。This one is grammatically correct. The more natural way to write the same text message is レストランの予約よろしく。萌え。In English, it is perfectly fine to sign off with thanks or thank you, but in Japanese sounds like this. I probably don't need to ask you, but of course it is okay, right? My second example shows gratitude towards the action I'm asking Nezuko to perform in future in advance. Also, you might have noticed it is short and sweet, which is a more natural way of writing text messages or email. I hope this lesson is useful for you and you can start using the correct way of arigato and sound more natural in Japanese. I just wanted to say arigatou gozaimasu for everyone who has subscribed to my channel. どうもありがとうございます. Thank you very, very much for watching. またね。じゃあね。Just wanted to share this beautiful VR word with you. This one has unkai. Unkai means cloud ocean. 綺麗ですね。とても綺麗な雲海です。Thank you always for watching. またね。じゃあね。